Namaste. Sada Khush Raho Bitia. I, Jv'n Dr L Sharma, Professor, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today our topic is Chief Minister of State. Article 163 of the Constitution of India states that the Governor is advised by the Council of Ministers, which is headed by the Chief Minister. The Governor of a state is a de jure head, but de facto executive authority rests with the Chief Minister. So the Chief Minister is the real executive of the government. Appointment of the Chief Minister of State. Article 164 of the Constitution states that the Chief Minister is appointed by the Governor, but the Governor is not free or independent in the appointment of the Chief Minister. He can appoint only the leader of the majority party in the Legislative Assembly as the Chief Minister of the state. Power and functions of the Chief Minister of State. The Chief Minister holds a pivotal position in the working of the state government. He has enormous powers and vast responsibilities. First one, to aid and advise the Governor. The Chief Minister is the link between the Cabinet and the Governor. It is he who communicates to the Governor all the decisions of the Council of Ministers. He has to furnish such information relating to the administration of the state as the Governor may call for. The Governor can submit to the consideration of the Council of the Ministers any matter on which decision has been taken by a minister, but which has not been considered by the Council of Ministers. The Governor appoints a large number of top officials of the state. He also summons and prorogues the sessions of the state legislature. All such power are exercised by the Governor on the advice of the Chief Minister. The Chief Minister, however, has no right to vote to advise the Governor in relation to the functions which he exercises in his direction. The Chief Minister is the head of the Council of the Minister. As a head of the state cabinet, the Chief Minister enjoys the following power. Formation of ministry. The other ministers are appointed by the Governor on the advice of the Chief Minister. The Chief Minister has a free hand in preparing the list of his colleagues. The Governor suggests the names of the person to be included in the ministry, but he cannot insist upon any person to be included in the ministry. Assigning departments or portfolios to the ministers is done by the Governor on the advice of the Chief Ministers. Removal of the ministers. The ministers hold the office during the pleasure of the Governor. This, however, does not mean that the Governor can dismiss his minister as his will. The Governor is in fact dependent on the Chief Ministers. Therefore, the Chief Minister can reconstruct his ministry as and when he likes. He may ask any one of his colleagues to resign. If he declines, he will be dismissed by the Governor. The Chief Minister presides over the meetings. As a chairman of the cabinet, the Chief Minister has a position enable him to impose his decisions if he wants to control the agenda for the cabinet meetings. If it is for the Chief Minister to accept or reject the proposal of cabinet discussions. Coordinates the working of various departments. The Chief Minister supervises and coordinates policies of the several ministers and departments. Several ministries are involved in the formulation and implementation of policy. Chief Minister must bring these activities into reasonable relationship with one another in matters of public order, roads, bridges, agriculture, land revenue and production, supply and distribution of goods. He plays a special roles in directing the policy of the government. The Chief Minister is the leader of the House. As a leader of House of the State Legislative Assembly, all the principal announcements of his policy are made by him. The Chief Minister intervenes in the debates of the general importance. He can appease an angry House by promising immediate relief or concession when needed. The other functions of the Chief Minister of State. The Chief Minister has a pivotal role in the financial matters of a state, including the budget, basic infrastructure and development priorities of the state, financial planning and economic growth of the state and others. The Chief Minister is the chief spokesman of the government of a state with the help of the media. The Chief Minister communicates all policies and decisions to the people of the state. He holds regular or periodic press conferences wherein he or she makes the citizens of a state aware of the functioning of the government. Position of the chief minister in a state. The chief minister position is preeminent in the state governmental system. In practice, his positions will imposing only when his party commands a clear majority in the state legislature. When it is a coalition form of government, it becomes difficult to safeguard the principles of collective responsibility also. Much of time and energy of the chief minister will in that case be wasted on keeping his team united and sufficiently disciplined. This is all about the chief minister of state. Thank you. This session was powered by digital version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have find any grievances, then write it on comment box. Thank you once again.